lot of people think they need to spend hundreds of dollars on fancy cat trees and high-tech toys to be a good parent. But the truth is, your cat doesn't care about the price tag. They care about the wacky smells and textures of things you usually throw in the trash. Have you ever bought a $100 plush bed, only for your cat to sleep in the thin cardboard box it came in? It's not because they're being rude, it's because that box is a secret fortress. In the wild, cats are opportunistic hiders, and cardboard is the perfect insulator, keeps them warm, and hides their scent. Today, we're going way beyond just boxes. We are decoding 10 vet-approved DIY hacks from Feline Secrets that will turn your trash into your cat's favorite treasure. These tricks will save you money and make your cat think you're a genius. Let's save some cash and have some fun. Number 1. The towel nose workout. Forget those expensive foraging mats you see in those flashy social media ads. All you need is an old, clean towel. Spread it out on the floor and sprinkle some of their favorite dry food or small treats on it. Now, here's the wacky part. Pinch the center of the towel and twist the fabric until it looks like a giant messy rose. This creates hundreds of tiny folds and caves for the food to hide in. Your cat has to use their detective nose and their hunter paws to dig through the fabric. Why does this work? In nature, cats spend 80% of their time searching for food. This nose workout burns as much mental energy in 10 minutes as a 1-hour play session. It turns a boring dinner into a wacky game of hide and seek. Number 2. The scented t-shirt tent. Cats love enclosed spaces because it makes them feel like a silent bodyguard in their own castle. Instead of buying a $50 cat cave that they might ignore, try this. Take 2 wire hangers, cross them over each other to make a frame, and tape them to a square of cardboard. Pull one of your old, unwashed t-shirts over the frame. Position the neck hole of the shirt so it acts as the front door. The secret here isn't just the cozy space. It's the scent. That shirt smells like you. To your cat, your scent is a natural scent reset that lowers their stress levels and makes them feel 100% safe. It's the ultimate bonding hack that costs you $0 and gives your cat a safe haven that smells like their favorite human. Number 3. The loneliest sock kicker. Does your cat ever grab your arm and start bunny kicking like crazy? Ouch. That's their capture instinct kicking in, and they need a target that isn't your skin. Instead of buying a $15 kicker toy, find that one lonely sock that lost its partner in the laundry. Stuff it tightly with crinkly paper, old fabric scraps, or even a little bit of dried catnip. Tie a double knot at the top to seal it shut. This DIY kicker is the perfect size for them to hug and kick. It's durable, it's washable, and it provides that crinkly sound that mimics the movement of prey in tall grass. It's a wacky way to recycle your old clothes while keeping your arms scratch-free. Number 4. The $0 tuna pop. Many cats are secretly dehydrated because their ancestors came from the desert and they have a low thirst drive. They hate drinking still water. Here's a feline secret hack to keep them hydrated during the summer. Next time you open a can of tuna in water, do not pour that juice down the drain. Mix that tuna water with a little extra plain water. Pour it into an ice tray and freeze it. These tuna pops are a cooling, hydrating treat that keeps them busy for ages. As they lick the ice, they get the moisture they need and a wacky flavor explosion. It costs you literally $0 to make, and it keeps your cat healthy and happy. Number 5. The whack-a-mole box. Expensive battery-operated toys always seem to break in a week. Save your money and grab an old shoebox instead. Cut 5 or 6 different sized holes in the lid big enough for a paw, but small enough to be a challenge. Now, grab a simple wand, toy, or even just a feather and poke it up through the holes while your cat tries to catch it. This mimics burrowing prey, which is one of the most exciting things for a cat to hunt. It keeps their brain sharp and their reflexes fast. It's wacky, it's loud, and it's a perfect way to bond with your cat without spending a dime. Number 6. The Self-Groomer corner. Cats spend half their lives grooming, but they have a hard time reaching that perfect spot behind their ears. You don't need a fancy grooming station. Take a clean, stiff-bristled brush, like a new dish brush or a grooming brush, and use strong adhesive strips to mount it to the corner of a wall at your cat's face height. Your cat will spend hours rubbing against it, giving themselves a wacky massage while you sit back and relax. It's a $1 hack that looks like a luxury spa. Number 7. The toilet paper treat roll. Don't throw away those empty toilet paper rolls. Fold one end of the tube down, drop a few treats inside, and fold the other end. Then cut a few tiny holes in the side. Your cat has to bat it around and solve the puzzle to get the snacks out. It's loud, it's fast, and it satisfies their detective instincts perfectly. Number 8. The sticky window seat. If your cat is a silent bodyguard who loves watching birds, but you don't have a window perch, try this. Use a sturdy, flat-topped piece of furniture like a bookshelf or a side table and move it directly against the window. To make it a real feline secret hack, place a non-slip yoga mat or a piece of carpet on top. It gives them the grip they need to jump up and watch cat TV all day long for free. Number 9. The magic aluminum ball. Sometimes the simplest things are the wackiest. Take a small piece of aluminum foil and crumble it into a tight ball. The shiny reflection and the metallic sound it makes when it hits the floor drives cats crazy. It's lightweight enough for them to carry in their mouths like a trophy. Just make sure it's crumbled tight so they can't bite pieces off. Number 10. The scented herb garden. Most people think only of catnip, but did you know cats love the smell of silver vine or even dried valerian root? You can make a scent garden by putting small pinches of these safe herbs inside different cardboard boxes around the room. It creates a wacky treasure hunt that keeps their nose working for hours. Being a best parent doesn't mean having a big bank account. It means understanding the wacky language of your cat's needs. Whether it's a twisted towel or a frozen tuna treat, your cat will appreciate the effort more than the price tag. Which of these $0 hacks are you going to try this weekend? Tell me your funniest DIY stories in the comments below. And don't forget to follow for more feline secrets.
Click the button. Meow. Thanks for subscribing. Meow.